I'm going to show you how you can restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. First off, you want to make sure you actually have a backup to restore. So first off, we're going to go to our WhatsApp here. Now on our WhatsApp, you want to go ahead and go to settings. Now on settings, you want to go ahead and go to this setting called chats. Now on chats, you want to go ahead and go to chat backup. And then make sure you have a backup here. If you don't, just tap on backup now to actually backup now. Now the next thing you have to do, you have to go back and you have to go to settings. Now on settings, you want to go ahead and go to a settings called iCloud like this. So just type in iCloud like this. Go to iCloud. Now on iCloud, you want to go ahead and go to see all on the save to iCloud one. And then you want to scroll down and then you want to make sure the WhatsApp app is right here. So WhatsApp, you can see it right here and it's turned on. You see, this is what it will look like. Make sure it's turned on like now. Now, once you have confirmed all of that, we're going to go to the App Store here. Now, what we're going to do is that to actually restore the backup, we need to uninstall and then reinstall WhatsApp. So go ahead and find WhatsApp like this. And then you will have to uninstall and reinstall. So let me do that. WhatsApp Messenger. Now, we're just going to get to reinstall and install this, right? So let me just uninstall this. I'm going to uninstall this from the home screen here. I'm going to remove the app. I'm going to delete the app. I'm going to delete. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to WhatsApp here and I'm going to download it again. Now, the reason why we're installing and uninstalling is that the only way for you to restore or go back to a message point on WhatsApp is that you will have to download and reinstall the WhatsApp app, right? And that's the only way to do it. So that's the reason why we're actually uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp here. Now let's just wait for this to finish downloading. It's already halfway done. Once it's done, let's go ahead and open this. Now once it's open, let's just tap on agree and continue. Once here, let's just put in our actually phone number here. I'm just going to put in my phone number like this. And I'm going to go ahead and go through the verification process first. Let me just go ahead. Now you can see it'll open up a menu like this. Restore from iCloud. You can see you can restore your chat history from iCloud. You will not be able to restore later if you decline to restore now. So restore now. Just tap on restore like this. And you can see it'll download your old backup and then it'll restore it on your WhatsApp right now. Let's just wait for this to restore. And then you can see after you go through all of the process, you can see my message is now restored back to normal.